Hi, this is David Boyer, Chief Information Officer for Decora. Wanted to show you how we can train each of our employees to be able to restart their data modem so that they don't have to worry about the modem going down and people being unable to get it restarted and therefore no one in the building having service. So 24/7 on each shift, someone should be able to restart the data modem. And I've put together 4 simple steps that are necessary to do that so that we can all be able to train our staff and be able to do that. You know, people think of information technology as a wild beast, and so I've come up with the acronym LAIR, L-A-I-R, like a wolf's lair. And with that acronym, we'll know the 4 steps needed to restart a modem. First of all, L, you have to be able to locate that modem. And in our particular building, we locate that modem in the furnace room. And in many other places, it's located in the furnace room or something similar to that. Secondly, LA, you have to be able to access that room, and that means it shouldn't be locked, or you have to be able to get access to a key. So access is the second part of being able to restart that modem. LAI, you have to be able to identify the modem once you get into the room where it's located. It's typically going to be a large black box. This is a Comcast modem, and you can see the Comcast name on the front. It will either be this or it will also be maybe an AT&T modem. And finally, once you have identified the modem, you need to restart it. That is simply done by pulling the power cable out of the back. Now, a modem will typically have 3 wires going into it. One's going to be a data cable that connects it from the modem itself into your data network. The feed for the modem is going to be a coaxial cable, or if it's DSL, it'll be more like a phone cable, and that will also go into a connection here. And then that third connection is going to be your power cable. Now that power cable, in almost all cases, is simply going to be able to be unplugged. If it is a 110 volt power cable, it's often best to run it to the wall and unplug it from there, because that way it also restarts the power supply. Very important to leave that power cable unplugged for a full 60 seconds. That way the modem has a complete opportunity to reset, and then plug that power cable back in, and you will have successfully restarted your modem. So there's your acronym: LAIR, L, locate, A, access to the room, which everyone must have to be able to restart the modem, I, identify which component in the room is the modem, and then R, restart by pulling the power cable.